Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, back out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. Just search for King Piers LLC if you haven't visited before, and while you're there, we'd really appreciate it if you left a like and a subscribe. In Harrisonville, we are just about finished up with the stone foundation rebuilding portion of the project. We still have the small section here that we're going to be doing either later today or Monday, get that looking good. Most of the final wall is complete. This is where the sump pump was. So we're going to be looking at getting the third and final new window installed today, along with the window well on the second wall that we rebuilt. So we got that second window there. We need another window well there. Most of the floor should be pretty level now with the gravel. We did some additional work earlier this week just to kind of get everything to the elevation that we needed it to before we start pouring the new concrete floor. And then really, other than that, all we have left is the areas where we are going to be doing our 6x6 support beam installation. We need to dig a little bit deeper to create our 2 foot by 2 foot, 2 foot thick concrete footings that should be poured monolithic with the floor once that's done. So we're gonna try to make sure that the new floor is flush with this entry pad right here, and we're just gonna get that neatly throughout the basement here. We have a little bit we're going to take down on the brick to get one of our support beams put where that is currently. So yeah, other than that, we are very close to completion out here in Harrisonville. Should be another day or so to complete the stone foundation portion of the project, and then we should be looking good to hopefully start getting concrete out here middle of next week and finish this thing up. So stay tuned for more updates. Again, you can always find those on our YouTube and Facebook channels if you just search for King Piers LLC. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com, and don't forget you can always call us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.